Good morning, students. Welcome again. Today we will be reading the second chapter of the book Woven Words. It is basically a short story. The name of the story is A Pair of Mustaches. It is written by Mulkraj Anand. Let us read about the author. He was born on 12 December 1905 at Peshwa and died on 28 September 2004 at Pune. He was an Indian writer in English, notable for his depictions of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. One of the pioneer Indian Anglo fiction. His writing's career began in England, where he used to publish short stories in T.S. Eliot's magazine Criterion. He won the Sahitya Akademi Award for his novel The Morning Face in 1968. He was honored by Padma Bhushan, India's last third civilian award, in 1967 for his vast contributions towards the field of literature and education. He is Mulkraj Anand, the author of the story The Pair of Mustaches. See, these are his famous novels. Untouchable, he wrote it in 1935. Across the Blackwater in 1939. The Sword and the Sickle in 1942. Coolie in 1936. The Private Life of an Indian Prince in 1953. The Village, he published it in 1939. So these all are his famous novels, and the story A Pair of Mustaches is also a complete book, and this book's one excerpt is in your syllabus. Let us see the main characters of the story. The first character is Seth Ramanand. He is a protagonist, and his foil means his enemy kind of the Khan Azam Khan. So these two are the main characters in the complete story, and on these characters only the story is based. Okay. Now let us see the introduction of the story. The story A Pair of Mustaches is a perfect satire. Mulkraj Anand, a novelist of the common man, has observed the society of India with a keen eye. He is, in his novels and stories, has presented the real India. Here are the people of so varied sentiments in our society that it often becomes troublesome to deal with all of them in an equal manner. People nourish their pride and prejudice in their own way. Someone wears false predicament, status, and lineage. With the change of time, society has changed a lot. People are not same as they had been. The families of zamindar, feudals, rajas, and so-called high class of people are not in the same position as their ancestors had enjoyed. Some people have changed themselves with the changing time, but others haven't changed them. So among such people, those who haven't changed according to the time is Khan Azam Khan, who has been living with the false pride, and he just want to live with that at the cost of losing everything whatever he has. Let us see the summary. A Pair of Mustaches is a story about a false pride that people foster. Story describes how different classes of people in India flaunt many different types of mustaches. So various kind of mustaches are being described. There are lion mustache, tiger mustaches, goat mustache, Charlie Chaplin mustache, sheep mustache, mouse mustache, and so on. Means there are so many kinds of mustaches. They are mentioned here. In fact, the type of mustache is a sign of a person's class. The story deals with an interesting event. Means only an interesting event has been explained here from the book. Means in the form of a short story. So what is the event? Let us see. Where the false pride of mustache makes one Khan Azam Khan bankrupt. How? Bankrupt means he has lost everything whatever he possesses. It so happened that this Khan Azam Khan claims to be descendant of a high class family in the time of great Mughals. He wears tiger mustaches, proper to the high status his ancestors enjoyed. He see the village moneylender wearing mustache resembling to his own. Who was that moneylender? He was Ramanand. Means the name of the moneylender was Ramanand. He gets furious and asks the moneylender to put the tips of his mustache down as per his class in the society. Means the type of mustache has been divided as per the class. So Ramanand was a moneylender, not the ancestor of rich family. Therefore, Khan Azam Khan got very angry that why Ramanand has got such type of mustache, those who used to keep in high classes. And the moneylender tells him that he can do so only when Khan writes down all his possessions in his name. Means that was a trick, just only a trick from to take all the money, all the jewelry of Khan Azam Khan. He just put that condition in front of him that when he will write everything by his name, then only he will put down the tips of his mustaches. The foolish Khan gives away all he possesses in order to keep his mustache higher than the moneylender. Thus, false pride leaves him a bankrupt. So what was the consequence of that? That Khan Azam Khan had lost everything, but he keeps the type of mustache which his ancestor used to keep. So by keeping the mustaches, he won't get anything, he won't get his wealth back, but he was living with that false pride and he keep on living with that, and he didn't have any regret over his loss, whatever he had lost. So I hope you all have got the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.